The Electric Automation Test Bench allows you to get hands-on with key electric automation products from Festo for demonstration, training, and integration purposes. A sturdy suitcase protects the equipment and contains all that is required for a quick setup. The system is pre-wired and can be configured in various network architectures. The upper part contains the control and communication components. A Festo PLC is connected to an EtherCAT network that integrates a remote I/O module, a distributed I/O system, and a servo drive. The lower part contains the electrical actuation components, with moving parts protected by a plexiglass cover. The cover houses additional communication and field bus modules for Profinet and Ethernet IP. You can also use your own PLC for greater flexibility and customization. Additional I/O Link master ports allow you to connect your own I/O Link devices. Choose from Direct I/O, I/O Link, or USB to control or configure the servo-driven Simplified Motion Series actuator. The Festo Automation Suite is used for device parameterization, programming, commissioning, and diagnostics. Automatic sequences are available to get familiar with the test bench. The test bench is brought to you by Festo Didactic. Other portable training systems are available for workforce development.